This is Dominic. He has decided to become a bricklayer's assistant. School to him had been a struggle. He likes to pitch in wherever there is work to do. Therefore, he has chosen a 2-year apprenticeship in which practical work will be a priority, even though he's not entirely sure that the job as a bricklayer's assistant is the perfect pick for him. The emphasis of his training lies on obtaining practical skills. Dominic's employer appreciates the apprentice's energy and reliability, and with time, Dominic settles in and starts to like his job better and better. After 2 years of training, Dominic obtains his certificate of vocational education and training. Motivated by this success, Dominic begins a bricklayer apprenticeship. Because he is a certified bricklayer's assistant already, he will be able to complete the second apprenticeship within 2 years. During this time, Dominic learns to work more independently, and his employer is delighted to see how committed he is. After another 2 years, Dominic obtains his diploma of vocational education and training. Dominic stays with the company and works on various construction sites for several years. His superiors trust him with more and more responsibility. He supervises apprentices and is in charge of materials. His supervisor suggests that he start an extra occupational training to become a foreman. Dominic prepares for the examination during almost 2 years. He obtains his diploma and becomes a site manager, a position that includes managerial functions. As a side benefit, his wage increases considerably. Dominic is enjoying a successful career. Starting out by focusing on practical education was perfect for him. Being appreciated for his work and gaining practical knowledge allowed him to surpass himself academically as well.